In many cases, when we have this excruciating quad pain when we're doing exercises, it's because the psoas muscle that connects the lower rib cage and the lumbar spine to the top of the thigh bone can be very overstretched in places and maybe too tight in others. So this is my favorite psoas conditioning exercise. In particular, it really helps to shift the rib cage backwards so your body doesn't have to sort of fight itself in its alignment. So I like to think of this as a story because it is quite a complicated exercise to do. So Fleur is going to be a cowgirl, and she's going to go and have a rest underneath a cactus. So she's going to make cactus arms. And along the way on the trail, she's managed to sort of scavenge some eggs. So she's decided a good lunch would be some scrambled eggs. So she's going to take the pan out of her saddlebag and she's going to lift her hips up into a bridge. And then she's going to crack the eggs. So what she's going to do here, she's going to drop the ribs so that they feel like they're caving in and opening out at the back. And she's going to just really bring them down and drop those eggs into the pan. And now she's going to scramble them, and she's going to do that by shaking her pelvis all the way down, keeping the eggs in the pan, and then relax. Okay, and we're going to do that again. So she's going to go up into her bridge. She's going to drop the ribs, so it's an active drop, and now she's going to scramble. And she's going to keep those ribs heavy, 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 and then she's going to release her pelvis and keep the ribs down. Yeah. And we'll do that one more time. So she's going to come up and might do an exhale here, inhale at the top, exhale to crack the eggs, and then she can just breathe through the movement as she wiggles, 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 and comes all the way back down without the ribs flaring, and then she can relax her arms down next to you. So there you go. Thank you for coming on the sort of cowboy holiday with me. Now, if you're enjoying these videos, please hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want any more help with any of your problem solving, please have a look at the link below for the Teach Pilates with Confidence Academy, where every month new videos are added in at no extra cost. It is just one fee for a month. And as long as you're a member of the Academy, you get access to more and more and more information.